Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a very elegant mansion for sale, located in the prestigious residential community of Ocean Ridge, St. Mary, just 15 minutes away from the tourist resort of Ocho Rios, 7 minutes from the Ian Fleming International Airport, and 16 minutes from the James Bond Beach. This house sits on 0.45 acres of land with an ocean view and pristine surroundings, void of air and noise pollution. This 10-bedroom, 9-bathroom dwelling with two self-contained flats presents the perfect living space for those who especially love nature. The property boasts over 9,000 square feet of spacious living in a luxurious setting with high ceilings and double floor to ceiling windows and a private balcony for each bedroom to meet the need for individual comfort and solitude. The elegant kitchen and dining spaces, encased in beautifully carved mahogany cabinets and fixtures and extensive living areas, make the property the life dream for a large family, yet flexible enough for a small family with opportunity for luxurious income generating accommodation. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
streets, your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice.
The asking price for this house is US 560,000 or Jamaican $86.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.